my god, we're back again with another Sunday video on the markets. So as you can see, not much happened last week. We didn't actually take any trades in terms of our pairs. We're going to break it down and go over it now, but yeah, we didn't take any trades. Market was kind of consolidating, not really moving too much. There's a lot of news coming out again this week, so we're just going to see. We're going to see what happens. I mean, this is looking quite nice here. Potential trade could have been taken. Now we're going to be daily time frames already pushed off, so we won't be doing that. But I'm going to get into that in the technical analysis side of things. So I'll catch you lot in a sec. Cool. So we're back for the technicals on the market. As you know, if you're new to the video, to these videos, what I usually do is a Sunday breakdown video of the market, where I'll just basically go over how the market is, what I think is going to happen with the market on the higher time frame, a daily 4 hourly, and then in my Telegram, if you join it, I'll basically break down if I take any trades and stuff like that over there. So with that being said, GBP USD, we are still bullish. For me on the daily time frame is still bullish. This low would need to get taken, or this low for me to call it bearish. This is bullish for me. We have come back down, created a lower high, and potentially price is starting to push its way back up again. Yeah, 4 hour time frame looks decent for me. A trade could have been taken off of somewhere around here. Potentially this could have been taken. I was looking for something for stops underneath here, but even that would have been nice for short stops. But for a 1 to 2, we would have been halfway into there. But it was Friday, end of the week, so it definitely wasn't something I would have been taking. But we still looking for prices to come back and create new highs. We're just trying to figure out from where a good entry would be. I like something around here off of these, which it did, but it didn't touch down any further or sweep any of this liquidity down here, which is a bit annoying. I would like stops realistically underneath here, so somewhere inside this zone would be nice for a position. But yeah, 4 hourly gave us that. Daily time frame gave us that. 4 hourly gave us what that gave us. And on the hourly time frame, we're kind of creating a head and shoulders here. Where's all my tools? Here we go. Kind of creating a bit of a head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head. We call this right shoulder. As you can see, head and shoulders is bang, bang, bang. Really expect price to push up and then retest and then make its way back up. So something like that, it could come down and kind of broken this level here. So really, are we in a, what you're trying to figure out is, are we in a downtrend on this time frame? Because how you usually go about it is daily time frame bullish, 4 hourly we're bullish, hourly time frame right now we're sitting bearish. So the hourly for me would realistically need to break this level for me to call it bullish. If we break, retest, then we can look for maybe a position off there for it to continue going up. But we did break this level, which made this our low, this our high. And then as you can see, obviously price has broken that now. So this is now our new high, this is our new low. We did come down and break that again, so we're bearish. Broken that, we call this our high now. So waiting for price to come back up, break this level, and then the hourly's bullish, and then we can look to take trades with the 4 hourly and the daily all in sync, which is quite nice. So essentially with GBP USD, what we're looking for is longs off of a decent level. So maybe once we break the hourly high. Apologies for my yawning. Euro USD is looking a lot cleaner for me. This level is amazing. I quite like this level as a position, potentially something like this. We can even have our stops underneath here, which would really invalidate it. Highs all the way up here from 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So if Euro USD, similar to GBP USD, if price does want to make its way further down, potentially hit somewhere around here, we could see price start to make its way back up again. So we'll be waiting for a lot of the same really for Euro USD. It's looking a bit cleaner. It's looking like we could make our way back down, and then potentially starts to push up throughout the week. Daily time frame definitely looks nicer. So yeah, that's it for Euro USD. We've gotten rid of GBP JPY. Don't like the spreads with my broker. It doesn't sit with me, so I won't be trading it anymore. I'm happy with these two as my FX pairs, and then we've got gold, which is has been my money maker as of last week. Most definitely wasn't. A lot of consolidation. Daily time frame is pretty shit right now. As you can see, it's days of it just not fucking moving compared to these days. We've actually got movement, obviously. Made all-time highs and then had a fucking massive dump, which is understandable. Prices now struggling a little bit. I think we know where we actually want to go, up or down. So like this chop last week was horrible. I got absolutely blitzed inside this area because I just didn't want to move. You shouldn't really be trading this. Just shouldn't be trading it. It's just it's moving horribly. Doesn't want to do anything. Don't trade it. Now we've had a break. This is something you can look to trade. This is nice movement. Something you can look to trade. So what I'm hoping for next week is that price continues to move in a bit of a nice way. News hopefully gives it a lot of volume and we get a break above this level, this purple line. Once we break this purple line, I'm looking for price to continue to potentially make its way back up and even create new highs at some point in the future, not specifically just for next week, but I think gold will continue to go up. We could push into this range again here and just start to consolidate, which I hope we don't, but it's very possible. But I'm still looking for price to continue to go up and potentially make new highs. With that being said, that is basically it. It's a pretty short video. There's not too much to go over. I'm bullish for everything against USD, so I expect GBP/USD to go up once we create something. If it does come back down, it'd be nice, and then we make our way up. If not, wait for the hourly to potentially break its high and then continue going up. Euro USD also looking for the same. If price does want to make its way back down, it'd be nice. If not, look for a break of somewhere around here. Reject, maybe some of this level, come back down, reject again, and then start to make its way back up. And then gold, just hoping we don't get stuck in consolidation inside this range again. But I think price would hopefully push up and start to make its way back up with a bit of volume. But obviously we need USD to get weaker, gold to get stronger. I am potentially seeing like a head and shoulders here for price. Not really a good one, but price is doing this, come back down, come back up to create this. It does reject off of this level, which it could do. Price could continue to make its way down, or it could consolidate. I have absolutely no idea what gold wants to do at the minute, so I probably won't be trading it at all until I see, I'll be trading SIM just to see how I do. But I kind of just want to see if gold wants to break this and continue to go up. I really only want to trade it if it breaks its purple line, which is 4110. Yeah, I'd be happy with breaking 4110 and closing above it, because it hasn't managed to do that even on the daily. And then we might look for a price to continue to be bullish. But until then, just be careful. Yeah, that's basically the end of the video. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment if you think anything different with the pairs, and also join the Telegram. It's going to be in the description in the video, because I'll be posting my trades if I win or lose and what happens throughout the week from the analysis that you've just seen now. So I'll catch you lot next week. Maybe a video here and there throughout the week, just some psychology tips and stuff like that. But yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.